We've arrived! Are we on, Ma?
Yeah, we're on.
Right, today we've come to NEC and we're going to the Trophex exhibition. So I think we've parked up, we're going to go and get our Netty train now. So let's see if we can find a way in. Hey, right, here we are. We're at the Trophex stand. And Trophex sell lasers and also they've got loads of different products. So these ones here, you've got your top layer, and then when you engrave, you see the different colours underneath. So this one would have been yellow, and then underneath you've got your black when you engrave it away. So this one here, that looks nice too. I like that. And down here, we normally get this one, the birch ply. But they've got actually that looks more like birch. I think they've got them mixed up. So that's birch. Shall we tell her? We've got cherry, cedar, bamboo, walnut. And then walnut by the looks of it. So they look quite nice too, so they'll be veneered.
Actually, I think you should tell her.
You can spin it round, you know.
This looks like the birch.
No, it is very similar, but there's more of a grain in the actual maple than it is in the birch. Can you see the sort of like the grain there? In colour it's similar, but the grain is different. But they're both like a light wood.
Yeah. What do you sell most of? What's the
cherry?
Cherry?
Yeah.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. Cherry and maple, and second the walnut.
And what thickness is this?
3 mil.
Just all three?
3 mil, yeah.
Do you do any thicker of the cherry?
Yeah. Not in veneer. Solid wood, which is 5 mil.
Okay.
Is it something that you get involved with?
We do engraving.
Yeah, we do engraving.
Yeah.
We've got 2 lasers.
Right.
And we looked at yours, we didn't like one. We just bought a new one.
Yeah, that's okay.
We like the fact that you sell the materials.
Yeah.
So we normally buy birch laser ply.
Right.
What's the best grade, Mark? Which one is it?
The one we use the most of?
Yeah.
3 and 4.
Yeah, 3 and 4 mil.
Yeah.
We use mostly, but then we have got some 6.
Yeah.
We were looking at some different colours, you know,
Yes.
to mix it up a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, we paint the wood, but just if we want something natural, we want something a bit dark.
I've got a sample of the cherry veneer and I think the walnut solid wood. Do you want to take somewhere with you to try? Yeah?
MDF in the middle, or is it?
No, this is purely solid wood. But the veneer one is MDF in the core.
Alright, cool.
I'll get some.
Oh, fantastic, thank you very much. She's very helpful. Lovely, we'll get some of that, we'll give it a go. Thanks, Trotec.
But this one we kind of like paint filled, so we use the blue and the red acrylic paint just to backfill it.
Oh, okay.
But you can just use it as it is, so you can just like basically backlit it, or you can infill it using acrylic paint.
Have you got some of those in full paint?
I don't, but what I'll do is I can send you a sample if you wish.
That would be really good.
Yeah.
That's something we've been looking at now.
Yeah.
Actually.
The advantage with our material, it's got an additional layer at the back. It's like a black film. So when you actually paint fill it, you don't have to be super careful because if the black layer will protect it, so it'll give depth to the color, but also it means that you don't have to sort of like wipe the excess out or whatever.
Mask it or anything like that.
No.
Wow.
Yeah.
That could be really good for us. Yes, please.
Yeah.
Lovely. Thanks for your help.
Oh, you're welcome.
Are we on, Mark?
You're on.
Right, today we're in the NEC and we're at the Trophex exhibition, and here we've got Pete, and we've got some products from it, and we're looking for some new pet things. So look at these. I think these might be really cool. What do you reckon? So something like this, and we can put your animal on here. Something if it's passed away. That might be really good. Yeah, so look out for us. We're looking for some new products, and they'll be coming your way very soon. Thanks for helping us find the products. So we're looking at new things here. I like these little boxes here to put our coasters in. And just found some cufflinks. They're really nice. We can use this magic spray called Theramark or Ceramark. You can spray it on the metal, and then where the laser beam touches the spray, it stays relaxed. We can put some new designs and things. It's nice, cute. Love that. We don't do that yet, do we?
No.
No? Like them. lighter here, nice little trinket box, maroon bottom. Craig here at Mr. Fixing, so if we damp the tissue paper, pop it over the top with the engraving in, you get a really nice engrave, and then you just don't have to put this magic application tape on it. It's quite a bit of money, so it's a nice tip. Thanks for the tip, Craig.
Go on.
Back in Trophex world, see this down here, look. This is called a living hinge, and the lasers cut it in such a way that a flat piece of material can be bent. You can actually do that with acrylic and with wood, would you believe it? And yeah, living hinges. It's really funky, you can make lots of really cool things. We're on. Right, so me and Marv had a nice day in the Trophex exhibition today. We've learned some new things, met some new people, and hopefully got some new products coming your way. Watch this space.